pretty good bouquet of beads. I have to clean these and photograph them later. But yeah, wow. Lots of beauties here. Love it. This is pink caramel encased in Kugler leaded, the K100 leaded clear with silver foil. Really, really, really pretty. And here's pink caramel encased in K100 Kugler leaded clear just by itself. Pink caramel in Kugler K100 leaded clear, just swirled in the glass and then speckled on the surface. Here's pink caramel on a base of Vetrafond Odd Lot number 955 Seashell Swirl. Always seems to be a really good frit base. Here's pink caramel on a base of Moretti Fetre 204, just plain white. And I've used some fine silver wire on these as well. And here's pink caramel on Moretti Fetre number 219 copper green. Again with the fine silver wire. Really happy with how these ones came out. Copper green is like a really great reactive color. I swear it works with every single frit that I've ever tried it with. It always comes out good. Okay, these are really pretty too. These were made with a base of Moretti Fetre 031, which is transparent, light emerald, transparent green, and I used silver foil, and then I used pink caramel frit. So you kind of can see a little bit of like that gold rimming around the pink. Yeah, it gives them really pretty kind of gold shift to the tone of the beads. And here we have Opal yellow. That's a Fetre, Moretti Fetre 266. This is like a darker pull of Opal yellow. It's one of the, I think the hand pulled ones, and it's quite a dark compared to some of the other Opal yellows that I've had, but it sure came out pretty with this is the pink caramel frit and the silver, fine silver wire inclusion. And finally, I'm ready a Fetre 068, which is rose quartz, and that's with the pink caramel frit and the silver, fine silver wire again, just for some like plain old pink, pretty, so pretty, so pink. And with that beautiful kind of gold tone from the caramels that are in there too. And yeah, it's so neat how the silver, we actually see some real silver tone when we use a silver wire, but then you also get kind of like the reactive tones and the golds that it brings out with the pinks. So